Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got some exciting news for all you smartphone enthusiasts out there. Realme has officially announced the launch date for their upcoming Narzo 70 Turbo smartphone in India. So let's dive into all the details. Mark your calendars for September 9th because that's when the Realme Narzo 70 Turbo will be unveiled. This new device promises to pack quite a punch with its impressive specifications. Under the hood, the Narzo 70 Turbo will feature the MediaTek Dimensity 7300 chipset, which Realme claims is the fastest in its segment with an impressive Antutu score of 750,000. That's some serious power for a smartphone. You'll be able to choose from up to 12 gigabytes of RAM and 256 gigabytes of storage, ensuring plenty of space and speed for all your apps and media. On the camera front, the device sports a 50-megapixel main camera and an 8-megapixel front camera for all your photography needs. Whether you're capturing scenic views or snapping selfies, the Narzo 70 Turbo has you covered. The display is a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate. Expect a smooth and vibrant viewing experience with minimal bezels, except for a slightly thicker chin and a centered punch hole cutout at the top. Powering the Narzo 70 Turbo is a 5,000 milliamp-hour battery with 45-watt fast charging support, so you can stay powered up throughout the day without worrying about running out of juice. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more updates and tech news. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.